Hello, folks. Before you do anything, don't forget to click like, subscribe, dice, slice, and chop. That like button, subscribe, all that crap, whatever. You know what the drill. You hear it on every channel. Let's see what's new. What is new? I got this new fancy Christmas hat. See, it's got nice Christmas ornament on it. Yeah, I bought it on eBay and it's cold in here. Plus, it keeps my ears warm. See, ooh. My daughter went to school and one of her friends had one. He's on, and I distinctly remember having one as a kid. I remember I was in the same schoolyard and I used to get teased, whatever, how kids are, and they used to make fun of me. And I had the hat on, and I was like, meh, I don't care. My ears are warm. My grandfather used to have one, so I bought one. Surprisingly, it fits my fat head. I think I have to get a bigger one, or I gotta shave my head and it'll give me a little bit of space. Believe it or not, that works. At least on my head. It's a size 7 3/4, but it's a little bit less. And I might have to buy a bigger one. But I want one of those gray ones, the gray ones, and I'm gonna order a Chinese one too, because I like they're all the same, but Chinese ones I think like a weird kind of bluish color, or like aqua, and the other gray ones are what? They're Russian also, so I think it's Yushenka it's called. So anyway, what's new besides the hat and I look like a freak? Things are rolling. I'm waiting for the spring compressor so I can pull shit apart. I now know how to take apart shocks. I now have one more shock. I know how to clean them up. I'm getting there. And believe it or not, I got 2 tools in that'll make the bike thing go faster, and I should be able to put it back together. So I'm going to mock everything up and then go through it after. And I'm going to put the bike together, and there's a few things I'm going to mock up and not put together like right away. I'll just put a little bit of grease, then I'll go back and grease them all, because I want to get it rolling. If I get it rolling chassis, this bike is going somewhere or maybe this one in the garage or out in the snow for, I don't know. Or else, I don't know, I got to find if I can stand it up. I should be able to stand it up or whatever. Worst case, I'm going to clean off the, what do you call it, the mule here completely and put one bike there. And in the spring, I'll take this one out, put it in the shed. Worst case. So, but I got a couple tool reviews. I'll be doing some more work on some bikes. I'm so excited. I found out at Dennis Kirk, the other place, Dennis Kirk, I forget what it's called. If you go to Dennis Kirk Motorcycles, I think it is, online, it's kind of like Partzilla. They have some bolts that they don't have some. I'm ordering some more bolts. Christmas almost coming. The one thing I wanted, which was the brake, I bought if you watch my other video that I'm coming, I bought a spring compressor, but I bought the wrong one. It's for automotive, so it won't fit. So if I want to take the shocks off my car, maybe, or a coil spring, but I got the one for ATV coming, so apparently I don't have to do too much of these. Just decompress them and see if we get it work. If that works. Or if there's another way to do it. But I don't know. I'll figure it out. So get that done. I've been cleaning parts, the rubber pieces. I figured I have to order some other ones. We got 40-year-old rubber grommets, and some of them you have to reuse, and some of them most of them they still make, which is nice. And that's about it, really. Just it's cold in here. It was last time I was in here was -12. I think it's -8 out. The Canadian scale. I don't know what that is in the American one. So if you're still watching my channel, stay tuned. I will be wearing the stupid hat every now and then. I just won't be wearing it around spinning machinery, because this might get caught and I might see my head fly off in the video. Even though you probably won't see my head fly off in the video, because after I get it chopped off, there'll be nobody to upload the video. So with that said, stay tuned. Keep watching my videos, and because I'm in here making a few more videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Toodles.